So I've got the grill fitting in now, guys. The whole bottom's come up heaps better than where it was. It was actually pretty low. I must have had a light hit in the front back in the day. So just in here, the gap's fitting much better. I'll throw the headlights in it once more and the front's pretty much complete. So he's welding the end caps in. Tacked them in place. He's just got to be careful welding. He doesn't want to get it too hot. Otherwise you overheat when you're welding. It's going to move it all, change the shape, distort it. And we don't want that, hey?
Absolutely not. We'll just work from side to side. As I weld a little bit this side, let the other side cool, come back to this side.
Yeah, you just got to take your time. Otherwise you can make a real mess of things. So it does a little bit. Penetration welding, guys, is number one. If you don't have penetration, you need to learn how to weld.
That's the ends welded on. We'll just smooth them off and put those ends on there.
Just lift it up so we can see it. Yeah, that looks better. And like you're welding the holes, made little bits.
Yeah, just a couple of fill-in pieces for those bigger holes, but as you can see in the back there, it's where it's been joined. Clean all that up in the back. That's the end piece I've put on here. Joined it through there. Just fill these holes in as we go.
That's what I was talking about, guys. See the penetration?
She's well and truly melted together.
That's what you want when you're welding.
That's the key to it. Same like the other thing. It's burned into it well and truly.
Yeah, no, that looks heaps better.
Once it's all completely sanded and smoothed out, you'll never know it's been replaced. It'll look like I bought one.
I'll go for a walk over here. So I've just got the front bar on now. I've got to do the same. I'm going to weld all the holes up. I'm going to smooth it out. But it's fitting really nice. So the front's pretty much looking the goods. We're just not sure what I'm going to do with the end caps on that. I'd say we'll have to keep it straight. So I'll just come under the car here, undo these two on the side. There's another one up in there on the side. I hold the bar on. And I'll do the same on the other side. And this is the end cap where I was just thinking about filling it in to make it nice and flush in the end here, but still not sure what I'm going to do there. Let's go for a walk over them. How's this going, Dad?
Yeah, pretty good.
So with what Dad's done on the end here, he's done exactly what I've got to do. Just welding it all in.
All the holes filled in, as you can see here. Well, what we'll do now is we'll come along and we'll clean all these up on the inside. Once it's finished, then we'll blast all this bar front and back, and we'll paint it all same colour as the car. We'll do the inside of it in a satin black to make it look really good, colour coded to the inside of it, and the outside same colour as the car, obviously, and it'll look really trick. You won't even know that bar has been changed or or weld it up, it'll just look the goods again. But as you
Yeah.
can see, the trick to it all is good penetration, like it's melted right through.
Yeah, that's the go.
Once we clean that back up, that's a really good fit up, and it'll line up really good.
So we've got another old bar. It's pretty average, still bent out of shape, but we need to use the ends off this one as well, because we're going to do the same on the front to what we've done on the back. And we're actually going to make these end caps round. Luckily, we only had a few bars sitting around there, so we can make this work. Alright, so that's going to be our end cap. I'll make that fit nice and round. So there, play around with it now. Okay guys, so before I cut this end off, that's what it looks like. So I'll get stuck into it. I'll cut this end off now. See on the end, that's just how they are from factory. So we want to get rid of that.
Yeah, I'm just going to show everyone how we've sectioned these bars off.
Yeah, right. So an update.
Yeah, so we went from that pretty basic look, factory look where it's chopped off here at the end, and I don't think it's a real good look, but anyway, so we've changed it now to give it this real nice custom finish look. That'll all just flow in there real tricko.
Yeah.
When you look at that, the way that's just been chopped off,
Yeah.
even if we cap the end in it, it'd still look just average. Wouldn't really look the goods, but now it's got that real nice,
Yeah,
smooth,
it looks awesome.
it'll all go good.
Bit of work in it yet.